How to fix Pinterest connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. Now here, scroll down and search Pinterest app from here. Scroll down and search Pinterest app. You will see Pinterest tab is there. So click on Pinterest tab. Scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, if you want to fix Pinterest connection problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, go back to home screen and open control center and turn on flight mode. So after turn on flight mode, turn off flight mode. So after turn off flight mode, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Pinterest connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.